Is it time to renew your Pakistani passport in Canada? With the information gathered from the Consulate General of Pakistan in Toronto, we've put together some detailed instructions to help you renew your passport with ease. If you are applying for renewal of your machine-readable passport and it has expired or its validity is less than 7 months from now, this video is just for you. Step 1. Go to the official website, then click Get Started. Step 2. Register for an account. All required codes will be sent via email. If you have previously registered, just log in using your registered PAC identity username and password. Step 3. Create an application for the renewal of your machine-readable passport and provide details for your application. Then you will be asked to provide your address for delivery. Step 4. Pay the fee using a credit or debit card. Make sure to thoroughly review the information and guidelines because there is a no refund policy against any application initiated or submitted for issuance of a machine-readable passport. Step 5. Provide personal information and then your present and permanent addresses. Step 6. Upload your photo. Make sure that you follow all the guidelines as explained in the photograph tutorial. Step 7. Upload the supporting documents as required by the application. Step 8. Print and download the form, then capture your 4 fingerprints by following the given instructions. Step 9. Set the scanner at 600 dpi JPEG and grayscale, then scan and upload the form. Step 10. Review the information. If it's all good, sign the declaration and then proceed to submit the application. Here's the estimated completion time for the renewal process. That's it. We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by Renewal, the best way to send money to Pakistan from Canada.